passes in a straight way. This is observed lighting zone. How the rays are coming in a straight way. The ray which passes in a straight way is called ray. Next, beam. Beam, a bunch of rays which flows in group together is called beam. Beam. ఇంకేముంది రే బీమ్ ఇంకా స్కాటర్ ఆఫ్ లైట్. ఇఫ్ ద scatter of the light means if the ray scatters an hour incident on glass, it reflects some scatters. Rather, all will not reflect. Some will be scattered. Some rays will be reflected. It is straight. The reflected rays are the incident rays are called paraxial rays. The incidental rays are called paraxial rays. Paraxial rays. The reflected rays are called slant rays. The reflected rays is called slant rays. Reflect means చూడండి. Reflect means divided re plus flux. Re means reflux of rays. That is flux of rays. అదేనా ఏనండి reflux of rays అంటే ఇటు reflects back. Reflux, that is reflection meaning is reflux of rays. Rays will come back again. That is called a flux of rays. అంటే beam of rays reflects on the curved surface area. That is called reflection. Right? Refraction. Reflection is that. Flux రాయండి. Reflux of rays when they incident on curved surface or plane surface. If the plane surface is 90 degrees, the reflect rays reflect back in the same way. Reflects back in the same way, right? You might observe the principal axis, the rays reflect back. Right? On the principal axis, the rays reflect back in the same way. Why? Because of 90 degrees on the curved surface area. 90 degrees there at the pole. At pole, what is that angle? 90 degrees there. That's why it reflects back in the same way. Next, on the curved surface, curved surface, curvature also the ray reflects back in the same way. At curvature also reflects same way. Next, అర్థమైంది. ఇప్పుడు 90 degrees ఇట్లా ఉన్నది కర్వేచరు ఇట్లానే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయింది. ఇట్లా వెళ్ళి ఇట్లా రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయింది. అదే ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సెస్ మీద కూడా సేమ్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకని అక్కడ 90 degrees దేర్ ఈజ్ అ ట్యాంజెంట్ ఏరియాలో ఆ డాట్ ఏరియా వరకు సేమ్ ఏరియాలో రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈజ్ నో బెండింగ్ దేర్ ఈజ్ నో రిఫ్లెక్షన్. రైట్? ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈజ్ నో బెండింగ్ ఆన్ గ్లాస్ ఆర్ మిర్రర్ దేర్ ఈజ్ నో reflection. There is no bending, there is no real reflection. There is no real reflection. If the ray is instanted at an angle of 90 degrees, it forms virtual image. It forms a virtual image. If the ray makes bend, right? If the ray makes bend or the surface is curved, then the image forms in a real image. The image forms in a real image. And next, refraction. What is the meaning of refraction? Fraction of ray is deviated from the surface, medium to medium, right? Refraction. Fraction of refraction. Fraction of ray deviated from the medium to medium. మీడియం నుండి మీడియంకి ఏమైంది? అది ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ రే ఏం జరిగింది? రివర్స్ వచ్చేసింది. అందుకని అనేది రిఫ్రాక్షన్ అన్నారు. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్, హౌ మనీ, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? 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 What is the mirror? What type of mirror this is? Concave mirror. What is this area called? From ear to ear, this area what we call it? Aperture. Where is the principal axis? The center of the center of the mirror. What is this? Mirror is this. Mirror is this ear. What do you call this point? This point is called pole. This point is called fold. Sir, next what is this? What is this? This is sphere. How many focus are there in a sphere? How many focus are there? 4 focus. Here what is this? This is center of the circle. Center of the circle. Center of circle is equal to nothing but a center of curvature. Center of circle is nothing but a center of, write down, center of curvature is nothing but a center of curvature. Center of curvature, write down. Here what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this length? What is this length? This is principal axis I give. So we have told. One radius is equal to 2. Radius C is equal to how much? How many F's? 2 F's. What is the 2? Exactly center focus. This is F. This is C. Radius is equal to 2F. 2 focuses. In diameter, how many focuses are there? 4 focuses are there. But we take this part of the sphere glass. We take part of sphere glass. Next here, if I put the object here, see, if I put the object somewhere infinite place, object I put at infinity. Here would be the image. Here would be the image. At focus, what is the nature of the image?
Highly inverted.
What is that? What is the size of image?
Point size.
The dot size or point size. This image will be formed here. Dot size. I understand infinite means dot size. If I put see here, if I put object here, at focus I have put it. Where would be the image?
At infinity.
At infinity. The image would be here, somewhere here. The image would be somewhere here. Whether it is real or virtual. Real or virtual. Real or virtual, tell me. Real or
Image could not.
Image is what is the image? What is the nature of image?
Real and inverted.
Class what is the image? How can you find it? How can you decide it? How can you decide it? How can you decide? See it. How can you decide it?
Image could not be
It can be seen a